Health is our shared aspiration. Safe Pharmaceutical Packaging is a reliable partner on the path to health. Xinfuda, with its leading pharmaceutical packaging technology, builds a solid protective barrier for life safety, ensuring that every piece of medicine is safer and more trustworthy. Crafting premium packaging, safeguarding global health. Xinfuda has been rooted in the pharmaceutical packaging industry for over 25 years, operating 3 state-of-the-art intelligent manufacturing facilities strategically located in Shijiazhuang, Changzhou, and Luoyang. A global R&D center is established in Suzhou, gathering top talents and focusing on the research and development of new drug delivery devices and high-end modes. The company has obtained ISO 9001-15378 quality system certification. It strictly adheres to the GMP standards for pharmaceutical packaging materials set by NMPA. It has obtained more than 30 CDE registration numbers and 7 US DMF filing numbers, capable of serving clients across diverse global markets. The company's product lines cover multiple product lines, including oral solid packaging, oral liquid packaging, injection packaging, insulin injection pens, pre-filled veterinary packaging, vaccine bottle, starting from creating value for customers and constantly innovating. Xinfuda has obtained more than 60 patents. The R&D center is equipped with high-end equipment and elite team and efficient processes, ensuring that product design is leading edge and delivery is timely. Upholding the principle that product quality stems from design, it develops high-precision modes from the source. High-precision modes ensure the continuous and stable production for 24 hours. This is an intelligent factory. It has a fully automated Class D purification workshop and has introduced advanced international electric injection molding equipment, meeting the high standard requirements of customers for product cleanliness and precision. The high standard Class C workshop and Class A laminar flow hood ensure that the production process is fully automated, with no direct human contact with the product, ensuring the ultimate cleanliness of the rinse-free product. The automatic digital central feeding system accurately transports raw materials to each machine, setting new standards for efficiency and yield. The production process comprehensively covers a variety of advanced technologies, such as injection molding, injection blow molding, injection stretch blow molding, extrusion blow molding, filling, printing, and automated assembly, fully meeting the diverse product needs of customers. All production lines achieve fully automated operation and are equipped with advanced visual inspection equipment and automated packaging equipment. The data large screen tracking system collects production process and quality data in real time. Intelligent production equipment runs through the entire process, ensuring the stable and reliable quality of each product. In the field of quality control, we strictly follow and implement the internationally advanced 15378 quality management system, supplemented by a high-level quality inspection laboratory in the industry. From the warehousing of raw materials to the inspection of finished products, 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. Strict control ensures consistent quality. Efficient, customized, and advanced. Xinfuda has achieved a monthly production capacity of 3 million packaging products in the orderly warehouse. They are waiting to be delivered to customers. We have established a long-term cooperation with internationally renowned pharmaceutical companies, and our products are exported to more than 30 countries across Europe, Australia, Southeast Asia, and other regions. Xinfuda actively practices green manufacturing and has developed a variety of biodegradable packaging. The company has also obtained dual certifications for occupational health and environmental management systems, contributing to sustainable development.
质量是我最关心的事儿，让产品超越期待。
这里是新富达，以品质护航医药安全，共筑健康未来。
For more than 2 decades, we have been guarding the healthy future with focus and perseverance. In the future, Xinfuda will continue to innovate, using world-class intelligent manufacturing to lead the industry's progress. We aim to build a century-old pharmaceutical packaging enterprise with global influence.